fucked up. You know what today is? Episode 19. I think that's where we're at. I don't know. My black children! You haven't changed a bit. We're back!
Everything's done, so this is our last vlog.
And it's pretty much ending right here.
Yep. We'll show you the stuff we finished first.
Okay. First thing.
You gonna show them?
Yeah, gonna show them.
Let's see it, dude.
Wait, dude! They're not ready, bro. Wait. Alright,
How do you feel?
Good. Good. Ready.
Wow, dude. What else you got for it, Dan?
What else do I got for it?
What are these over here? What is this?
These are some super sweet Apex wheels with some Michelin Pilot Sports. Don't zoom in because they're really nankings. These have to go on. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do during this episode? Nothing, like usual.
All right, dude. Let's get this vlog started.
We did start it already. All right.
Dude, we just forgot how to do this.
Dude. Well, I need the jack that you're using because you're using yours and mine.
Take the one out of the back. Fuck. What was it?
Did you see it?
I think I saw something in the background.
Was it in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Sketchy.
What was it?
Sketchy. I think it was a female. Sketchy.
Frickin' man.
All right, let's do this thing.
Do this, bro.
Oh, I do have my inside.
Take those off.
I need you to go get the jack though that I'm going to need.
Well, see, while I was waiting for you to go get the jack, I'm gonna sit here and point out to all of our followers all the flaws on your fucking car.
Shut up. I gotta.
Oh, you guys like runs?
Fuck you. Stud conversion.
What? So, cause he has like 17 layers of powder coat on these puppies.
I'm surprised that they would even do the back pad.
Oh wow, they did do the whole pad. Look at that.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Whoa. No way. Damn, bro, you fuck! Better throw these suckers in the trash.
Literally. But the only problem is if we do that, we could sand it.
We could sand it. Give me a hand.
Okay, you got it?
God damn.
I thought you had it.
What?
I thought you had it.
You thought I had the spacer?
Yeah. Smooth.
Is that right?
Yeah. Rub them out. Want me to hold it? Sketchy. Like a glove.
Josh says, cross-threading is nature's Loctite.
Literally.
How's it feel, dude?
Good.
You know that you're gonna have a shit ton of wobble from all that powder coat that's behind those suckers.
Could you imagine?
Might as well tell the company not to fucking bounce these suckers because it don't even go matter.
It don't even go matter.
Oh yeah, the shit ain't going. She gonna have to be pulled with the fucking lugs.
Okay. I love how when it's not important for you to help,
I don't want to help.
No, when it's not important for you to help is when you want to help.
I know, but when it's cool stuff going on, you know?
That's when you want to help. When I like actually need the help.
Damn, dude.
What? Yeah, that was from them bouncing it.
Really? Fucking cockheads.
I tried to hide it, but you saw it. But nobody else can see it.
Oh, dude, trust me, there's gonna be a whole episode of me pointing out all the flaws. Alright, let's see if we can fucking... You know, I didn't know if it was possible to actually cross-thread a wheel on to the hub, but we are gonna see.
Dude. Doesn't seem like it's getting far enough.
It's not gonna go. Look at the gap.
Oh my gosh.
It's not even budging.
That's annoying.
What do we do, dude?
We have to sand it.
The whole car?
No. I think if we took 80 grit
What?
and hit it, just to
Like
stuff
if I hand?
Yeah.
Dude, you have to take layers off. It's like an onion.
Well, I am about to start to cry.
Dude. Yeah, you better, dude. You're gonna be crying of all that paint coming off the backside of this thing. Dude. This isn't a good place for me to sit for very long, dude. I'm gonna start putting shit out, bro. Like that fucking non-feathered edge.
I know. Fuck. Shut up.
Well, no, you'd have to take the die grinder and...
Sketchy.
Let's do it, dude.
Sketchy.
I'm ready.
Sketchy.
See,
Now
I
probably
wanted,
won't even come off.
See, I wanted to help with this part, but the die grinding part, I don't want to be a part of.
Yeah, the part that I actually need help with.
I don't want to be a part of it.
Oh, be careful. Muscle Max, that's what we call you.
Throw me the trash! Alright, on next week's vlog, we put the other side on.
The other two on.
Wow, dude.
What?
Now that I figured out why Josh's camera was so dark, we forgot how to vlog. Seven missed episodes and nothing's changed. Sit here watching you do shit.
Literally. We done.
Yeah! Alright, time to work on my car.
I'm gonna drive it around to see if it vibrates.
Oh,
And by that I mean
It's-
I'm not coming back.
it's gonna vibrate, dog. Since you guys have been gone, I obviously got my truck driving. Not right now, because I blew the steering out. But it was driving. And we even filmed it. Me and Josh filmed it so that way you guys wouldn't miss out on the first maiden voyage of my truck going. So I'll show you a little clip of that right here.
Well, look who finally decided to show up. Yep. Josh!
Kyle and I went and saw Spider-Man 4, so it was gonna take me a while, Max.
Oh, all right. What are we doing today? Did you ever finish your BMW?
Dude, you know that I've been working on my BMW very hard. Anyway, hang on, I got a phone call. Yeah, hey baby. No, I'm not with Max. I'm not with Max. No, honey, babe, no, I'm not. I'm working. No, hey, no. No. Yes, I'm coming to San Francisco tomorrow. I'm coming tomorrow. I think he can hear me. I'm coming to San Francisco tomorrow. I'm gonna bang. I'll bang it. I'll bang it. I'll bang it. No. Okay. All right. I love you. You gonna say it back?
So, what we're gonna do today, it's gonna be a short one, you know, because fucking Josh showed up late again.
Dude.
Fucking dick. But we gotta move all the cars out, and I think we're gonna try to drive the truck for the first time. Should we try that?
Yeah, I think that would be pretty cool. You know?
Yeah.
Or as they say in Spanish, como te llamas, muy grande chichis, muy bueno. Yeah, I'm bilingual. My name's Josh. For today, guys, what I got going on is a few splitters I need to pump out of the CNC. I have like 4 customers that want me to come show them how to shape their eyebrows and maybe a splitter too. So if you guys want to check it out, we're going to see if this thing works. Uh-oh. If anybody wants me to start eyebrow tutorials, we're gonna have a vote.
Is it time for a drink now?
Max. I guess so.
Ask your lady if you're allowed to have a drink with us.
Yeah, I actually haven't talked to her in 3 minutes. I should call her.
I just got done showing them video footage of the day that me and you took my truck for the maiden voyage. You remember?
No.
You remember.
Oh, Wes? With my eyebrows? Sorry. Damn it. I mean, yes, I remember.
You remember?
I remember.
It was a good day.
Wait, but I don't remember?
We gotta take my steering rack out.
No,
dude.
you gotta take your steering rack out. And I need to supervise.
Yeah, you gotta hold the bolts. Right freaking here, dude. Freaking. Well, they're kind of hidden. But there's bolts down there. You gotta hold one side. Well, I freaking.
How'd you get them in?
The motor wasn't in here. Ooh. Ready, dude?
Yeah.
Woo! Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Bah! Holy shit. Oh my fucking god.
You going the right way?
Lefty loosey. Breaker.
Oh, that'll make it a lot easier.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
You ready?
Okay.
You're doing them.
No, you're good. You're good.
Dude, fuck you. Alright, let's get it left.
Yeah. Good, easier.
What?
Easier?
No, so this is fucking hard. Yep. Fuck me in my ass. Oh my god.
Hold
hold on. I'm totally just gonna block your other. All right.
Is it off?
No,
Not?
not yet. Yes, now it is.
Alright, do the other side.
There's no way to get a good angle on this.
Ooh. Off?
Almost.
Fuck you, I see you holding.
God damn it.
Dumbass. I'm a freaking idiot, dude.
Duh.
Oh my god!
We came here to vlog. Oh, right into that.
Baby girl!
It's all good. Pop those bad boys off. You got it? Or you need me? Ooh, good one. Ooh. You know it sounds good? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You got it? Ooh, there we go. Sometimes I forget that I have this in my hand, recording.
Fuck it, dude.
Right.
Premium content coming your way.
Yes, exactly.
Ooh. 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 Damn, bro.
That's what I'm
sketchy
saying.
to make this thing out of aluminium.
Damn.
Tutty tutty, lefty fricky. Did you just film in your car?
Hello, my name is Josh Avery. I have come to explain the proper etiquettes of BMWism. First, your car must ride like complete and total dog shit. Second, the car's performance must be actually worse than it is from the factory. Third, you must have a relationship with someone who is about 600 miles away from you and be deeply in love. Let's cut some splitters.